students, in this video we are going to see a problem based on continuous time Fourier transform. So here is the problem. So we have to obtain a Fourier transform for the signal x of t e raised to minus a mod t where a is greater than 0. Before applying any formula, let's plot this x of t. Now this mod t means what? Whether t is positive or negative, this will always be e raised to minus at, where a is greater than 0, that means it's a decreasing exponential. So we will get plot like this. So basically it is a even function. Let's come to the formula. So Fourier transform by definition is given by x of j omega equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x of t e raised to minus j omega t dt. So x of j omega I will get in two intervals, minus infinity to 0 and 0 to infinity. So I can say over here now it is minus infinity to 0. In this case I will get a x of t as increasing exponential. So to get an increasing exponential, I can consider this x of t as e raised to at multiplied by e raised to minus j omega t dt, plus in second interval 0 to infinity it is a decreasing exponential. So it is e raised to minus at e raised to minus j omega t into dt. So basically we will get these two integrals. Let's solve it. So x of j omega will get integral minus infinity to 0 e raised to t, I can take common, inside bracket is a minus j omega into dt plus integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus t I have taken common, inside bracket a plus j omega. Let's solve it. So integral is e raised to t a minus j omega upon a minus j omega, and the limits are minus infinity to 0 plus e raised to minus t a plus j omega divided by minus bracket a plus j omega. Limits are 0 to infinity. Let's apply the limits. So x of j omega equals 1 upon a minus j omega is a constant, so I have taken out. Inside bracket I will have e raised to 0 since I apply upper limit over here, and e raised to minus infinity. So overall we'll get this plus here the constant that we can take out is this. So the constant is minus 1 upon a plus j omega. Inside bracket, if I apply the limits are infinity as the upper limit and 0 is the lower limit. E raised to minus infinity minus e raised to 0. X of j omega will get 1 upon a minus j omega. Inside bracket, e raised to 0 is 1, e raised to minus infinity is 0. Here minus will come up, 1 upon a plus j omega. Inside bracket, e raised to minus infinity is 0, e raised to 0 is 1. So if you simplify, we will get x of j omega as 1 upon a minus j omega plus 1 upon a plus j omega. So let's solve this by doing a cross multiplication. So let's solve it. So we'll get x of j omega equal to a plus j omega plus a minus j omega upon a minus j omega multiplied by a plus j omega. From the numerator, j omega get cancelled. A will get added with a and become 2a. So x of j omega will get 2a upon, here I can use the formula a minus b, a plus b, which is a square minus b square. That will give us 2a upon a square minus j square omega square. And since j square is minus 1, I can say x of j omega is 2a upon a square plus omega square. So what we get over here? The x of j omega Fourier transform, we get this time a real number. So whatever the value we got, it's just a magnitude is having phase 0. So we will just get a magnitude plot. So let's have a magnitude plot of this. Rather, we can say it's a plot of the signal x of j omega itself because it's a real only. So we will get a signal plot like this. For omega equal to 0, I will get x of j omega is 2a divided by a square, which is nothing but 2 by a. Let's consider omega in terms of a. So if I have omega as a, I will get x of j omega is 2a divided by a square plus a square, which is 2a square, and getting cancelled. In the end, we will get 1 by a. And that will be true for omega equal to minus a as well. So if you plot, we'll get a characteristic like this. So this is a complete magnitude plot or a signal. So this is a magnitude plot, or you can say a signal plot itself. Since it's a real number we are getting as a Fourier transform, whose phase will always be equal to 0. Hence there won't be any phase plot. here is the end of a problem. Thank you.